You are not just living your life. You are carrying a responsibility, a silent one, a heavy one, because somewhere behind you, there are two people who gave everything they had so you could have a chance. Your parents. They didn't have your opportunities. They didn't have your options. They didn't have your time. But they gave you theirs. They sacrificed comfort, sleep, money, peace, just to see you become something, just to see you succeed. And maybe they never told you directly. Maybe they never said it out loud. But deep down, you know. You are their hope, the one they believe will make it, the one they look at and see a better future, the one they trust to change everything. And that's not pressure, that's purpose. Because while others are wasting time, scrolling, complaining, doing nothing, you have something bigger. A reason. A why. Every time you feel tired, remember them. Every time you want to quit, remember what they went through. The struggles you didn't see. The sacrifices they never talked about. All so you could stand where you are today. So don't take it lightly. Don't waste it. Because you are not just building your life. You are changing theirs. You are lifting them. You are giving meaning to everything they endured. And yes, it's not easy. There will be days you feel lost. Days you feel like it's too much. Days you doubt yourself. But this is where you prove who you are. Not when it's easy, but when it's hard. When nobody is watching. When you feel like giving up. But you keep going. Because you know, quitting is not just about you. It affects them. And rising lifts them. So you work, you study, you improve, you become disciplined. Not for attention, not for validation, but for something real. For the people who believed in you before you believed in yourself. And one day, it happens. You succeed. You reach a level you once thought was impossible. And you see it in their eyes. Pride, relief, happiness. Not because of the money, not because of the status, but because you made it. Because their sacrifices meant something. Because you didn't waste the chance they gave you. And in that moment, you realize something powerful. You were never alone. You were never without support. You were being carried by their belief in you. So don't slow down. Don't get distracted. Don't forget who you're doing this for. Because you are not just chasing success. You are becoming the reason your parents can finally smile with pride. And that is a victory bigger than anything else.
If you're serious about changing your life, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. The next video might be the one that changes everything.